How to insert Word document into PowerPoint. So first of all, open up the presentation in which you want to insert the Word document. So once you are here, from the top menu bar you need to click on the insert option here. Okay, now from the top of the options, one of the options is object here. Okay, you can see object is written. You need to click on object. Now it will ask you what kind of file you want. Okay, so I'm going to select Microsoft Word document. You can also go for 97 to 2004 Word document. Okay, once you do it, now you can go here and click on from file here. Now you need to select the docx file or doc file. Okay, so I'm going to select this Word file here. Now there are two options: to show some contents of the Word file or simply display it as icon. So right now I'm going to click on display it as icon and click on OK. Now you can see the Word icon is right here. So if somebody double clicks it, it will open up in Word. Okay, just like this. Even if you send this file to someone else, then also if he or she double clicks it, it will open up the Word file. You can also go ahead, click on object, select the Word document file. Instead of clicking on displays icon, simply first of all click on file, select the Word file, click on insert, and then don't click here, click on OK. Now it will add some content of the file. You can actually minimize it, or we can say format it and place it somewhere just like this. Okay, even if you double click this particular thing, it will also open up the Word file just like this. So this is how easily you can do it. Thank you.